It's me, Shane Merrill, and I'm here with $4 menu burgers on McDonald's, and I challenge myself to eating them in 4.5 minutes. So 4 burgers, whatever, 4.5 minutes, and I got my 2008 Gator Champion Cup. So let's do this. And my partner's
We're going to use the stopwatch on my phone. It's an app that my awesome mom got me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And I'll bring the clock back. I don't think he can do it! He's taking too long on each bite! 22! They're so dry! You need some ketchup! I'm good.
In flames of dancing, turn the rain, we ride towards the fight. When the darkness is falling down and the times are tough, alright. The sound of evil laughter falls around the world tonight. Fighting hard, fighting on for the steel through the wastelands evermore. The skeleton souls will feel the hell that's wasted on the shores. On the blackest flames in hell's domain, we watch the lands they go. In fire and pain, and once again we run. So now we fly, yeah, we're free. We're free before the thunderstorm. On towards the wilderness, our quest carries on. Far beyond the sundown, far beyond the moonlight. Deep inside our hearts and all our souls. So far away, we wait for the day, for the light soul so wasted in blood. We feel the pain of a lifetime lost in the
Almost 3 minutes has gone by!
flames we carry on.
And he finished his second burger. A minute and 20 seconds to go. Come on.
Running back through the mid-morning light, there's a burning in my heart. We're vanished from the time in the morning land to a life beyond the
30 seconds.
in your blackest dreams, seem to believe our destiny is tied. And then the sea will all be free tonight. And on the
You have about
dream, so far beyond
15 seconds. 10 seconds. I was a little off time.
lost inside, you'll never find. Lost within my own mind. Day after day,
Done.
misery must go on. So far away, we wait for
I was so close.
How does it feel to be a loser?
It doesn't feel good.
Man versus food. In this case,
Who won? I'm a loser.
we carry on.
I don't want to see another patty again.
yeah, I'll take
Right after. Oh, okay.